And today we're taking the 182 over to Atlanta Motor Speedway Airport to go top it off with gas for a lot of flying in the upcoming weeks. Join us on this flight over to Hampton. Brakes, everything, turn that stuff on. Clear prop!
All right, there we go. Just get all the avionics online. Altimeter is set correctly. Gonna be just a quick flight over to Hampton. Grab some gas. Very cheap over there. Put beacon on. Turn taxi on. Gonna let it keep warming up here. Alright, let's get moving here. Alright, we're gonna do a run up here, go to 1700 RPM. Cycle the prop, there goes one. Left mag, check. And right mag. And Mallard traffic, Angle Fox gonna back taxi on Route 7 at Mallard. I'm gonna set 10 degrees flaps. Oil temp pressure in the area I want them. Our flaps are open, fuel set to both mixtures of one props fully. Strobes are on, let's go. Mallard traffic, Angle Fox is spreading runway 7 will be a left turn out departing to the west, Mallards. A little bit of a right crosswind, and let's go. Takeoff power set. Variable. There's 55 knots, gonna have to start rotating. And there's 72. Flaps retracting. And start the left turn now. Much smoother than I thought it'd be. Oh, there's the bumps. Alright, let's see. AWAS is 24.2.
Weather, wind, 1, 2, 0, at 8, visibility, 1, 0, ceiling, 2,000, 9er, 100,
Caution,
over.
obstacle.
And Atlanta Speedway traffic, Angle Fox is on a 5 mile 45 to the runway 6 downwind for Angle Fox.
Atlanta Speedway, Cessna 39 Juliet, we're turning right base for 6.
And Atlanta Speedway, Angle Fox is on a 2 mile 45 to runway 6, full stop. Speedway.
Atlanta Speedway, Cessna 39 Juliet, we're turning final 6. Speedway traffic, this is Cherokee 32067, leaving FDO, taxi to runway 6, Speedway.
And Atlanta Speedway, Nangle Fox is on the right, downwind for runway 6, full stop, Speedway. First notch of flats coming in. Alright, now we're going to go 20 flaps. We're going to make a tight pattern today. And Speedway traffic, Nangle Fox is base to final runway 6, full stop, Speedway.
500.
Atlanta Speedway, Cessna 39 Julia, we are clearly active and taxiing back to FBO.
And Speedway traffic, Nangle Fox short final 6, full stop, Speedway. I just said, I'm going to land a little long because we're going all the way down. She's floating. There we go. And Speedway traffic, Nangle Fox, roll clear, Alpha 3, taxi to Silver.
And wait,